Hello, and welcome to another How-To with HASS. Today we're going to go over how to use the auto-peaking function within HASS. Once you have entered in your calculation, click Calculate, and select the Automatic Peaking of Remote Area option. Select OK. From here, the Edit Peaking Information dialog box will appear. Enter in your sprinkler spacing information. For this example, we have 10 feet between sprinklers. And then enter your left side pipe tag and your right side pipe tag. For this example, the left side pipe tag is pipe tag 1. That is A1 to S1. This pipe shown here. The right side pipe tag are nodes S5 to B1. That would be pipe tag number 6. Continue this process until you have all the pipe tags entered. Once you have entered in all your pipe tags, select OK. Enter in your minimum conditions for the project. Select OK. Save your project, and your system is peaked. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button below. Also consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use HASS. For more information about HRS systems, you can go to our website, hrssystems.com, and follow us on the social media channels.